Hi, grade 4. Hi, grade 4. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn with Teacher Iman channel. Today it will be a revise on units 1, 2, and 3. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. In this video, I will make a quick revise. I'm sorry, a quick revise on this unit. I will remind you with unit 1 first. I feel good. I would like to remind you the vocab in this unit. What is the vocab in this unit? We have food, drink, potatoes, tomatoes. I think you know this words. We took it in this unit. Okay, this vocab we took it in this unit. I will remind you with it to remind with me because today we revised on this unit for we will revise on the 3 units for the exam, for monthly test exam. Here we have onions, rice, chicken, grapes, sugar cane, watermelon. Here we have some expression used with food like we produce vegetables like onions, potatoes, and tomatoes. We grow and raise. We have here 2 verbs, important verbs we learned during this lesson. We learn verb grow and verb raise and verb raise. And as we know that grow used with crops or food, and raise we use with animals like chickens in this sentence. Let's go to lesson 2. Lesson 2, we know some healthy food. We have here cola, and we know that cola is unhealthy. Salad, banana milkshake, candy, vegetables, fruits. And in this unit, we took a grammar corner or in structured grammar here with each which is and but. We learned in this unit and but and the uses of every word of this. Sorry, we use and with to add ideas together, 2 ideas together, to add 2 ideas together. But used to show contrast. There is a sentence and another sentence is contrast like this. I want to play football, but it's rain. Or can I say I want to play football, but my leg is hurt. Okay, so here we have contrast. The 2 sentences are contrast here. Let's go to another one here. We have here the story of the empty pot, emperor. We have competition, and the word we have competition have a verb. We took it in grade 3 in Connect Plus. We use the verb commit. Okay, commit. This is the verb from this noun, commit. Okay, commit. Let's go to another one here. I would like to remind you with this verb. Okay, here is have palace, gardener, pot. Here we use the prefix. Okay, we use in the video that we learned the last one in which is unit 3. We took suffix, and here we use prefix like what, like rewrite, repent, redo. Okay, means doing something again. Here we have the food from Domyat. In this part, we took food from Domyat, which I think cheese, Domyati cheese. We talk about Domyati cheese. Governorate, fisherman, wheat, famous catch. Here we talk about Domyat governorate, and know the food that the famous food for Domyati governorate, which is Domyati cheese that we know during this lesson. The land in Domyat governorate is rich of nutrients. The farmers can grow rice, tomatoes, potatoes, wheat, lemons, grapes, and guavas. Fishermen catch thousands of fish in the sea. Cows, goats, and sheep live in Domyat governorate. Domyati cheese is very famous. About 1.5 million people live. It's not less. It's more people live in this part of our country, because Domyat governorate is not a small governorate. It's big governorate. Okay, about 1.5 million people live in this part of Egypt. life is good in Dumyat. Let's answer the exercise related to this unit. In this unit, this part is related to listening. Now I can't have a listening text to read it, but I would like to say this part in the exam, you must listen clear to the teacher that she is coming or he is coming to your class and reading reading text. You must take care of every word that he or she reads to you, because it's important to listen carefully before you're answering this part. Okay, this part of the exam. Okay, choose the correct answer. I like oranges, apples, space, bananas. So the answer, it will be here what? And. Okay, because here's adding. I want to eat pizza. It isn't healthy. So here's two contrast sentences. What can I select? I select, but you are listening. I'm listening. You say, but you are clever people. Domyati is a space for cheese. What can we say? Famous. I'm listening. You saying famous. You are clever people. You are study. Egyptian farmers, space chickens. As we told you before, we have two verbs. We use grow for crops and we use what? For chickens. Can you say with me? I can select wrong. I can select play. Wrong. I can select give. You can say give chicken, play chicken, or build chicken. You can say build chicken. Anyone can build chicken, can play chicken, can give chicken. Wrong. So the answer, it would be what? It would be raise. As we told you, as we learned in this unit, that raise is used with what? With animals. I'm listening to you saying, you are clever pupils and you are good pupils to study. Study hard with me, okay? And I hope to follow the videos that I do it for you to review and to re-listening again, okay? More and more, to watch it again more and more, to revise you what we told, okay? Here we have, I think I'm space. I think I'm space. I do a lot of sport. I think I'm healthy. You are clever pupils. You are clever pupils. I'm listening to say, Miss Ina, healthy, you are clever pupils. In the weekend, I space to grandmas. I walk. Excellent. We can see different houses and shops. I don't eat candy, but I like fruit. My space are bananas and watermelon. So watermelon and bananas. What is the type of this food? It's fruits. So the answer, it will be my favorite fruits. Okay, my favorite fruit. You can say, Miss Iman, we have an extra word. This extra word may put it for you to examine your understanding. I think now you understand why, because we have 3 spaces only, not 4. So I read the text to know that if the sentence is correct or not. I think I'm healthy. I do a lot of sport at school. You must have a guessing. You must guess that the sentence is correct or not by listening. Okay, English must have a sense to know that is the correct sentence or not. You must have a sense when we read the sentence in English. Must have a sense to know if it's correct or not correct, and know that the sentence if have a mistake. I think I'm healthy. I do a lot of sports. I wrote a lot of sport at school. On the weekend, I walk to my grandma's house with my family. I really like walking because I can talk to my mom and dad. So here, walk and talk with my family. So you have an interact between me and my family. Okay, we can see the different houses and shops. I don't eat candy, but I like fruit. My favorite fruits are what? Are bananas and watermelon. My mom makes awesome, wonderful, awesome banana milkshake. Here is the same of what of wonderful. Awesome is the same meaning of wonderful. I would like to know this word also. Okay, this is the same meaning of this one. Okay, let's go to another question here. Here we have matching. Here is what is this sentence. I can read both columns and select the correct one. Do we raise? Egyptian farmers grow. The food looks. What meal are you having? So I would like to say that when we talk about meal, must use the verb have, okay? Do we raise? Do we raise what? Raise with what? With animals. So the animal, which one is animals? This number E. So I select this one. Do you raise chickens in Egypt? Egyptian farmers grow what? Vegetables and fruits. This one. Okay, so then this one, number A. The food looks what? Looks delicious. Okay, so I am describing the food that is delicious. Okay. What meal are you having? I'm having lunch. So the answer, it will be number B. Okay. So there is one sentence that we took it, because we have here 4 sentences and here is 5 sentences, and we select the correct only, not all the sentences. Okay. If you have another sentence, you must, as we told you, that you examine your understanding. Let's go to another question here. Read the text and answer the questions. I'm Dina. I'm healthy. I do a lot of sports at the club. I'm Dina. I'm healthy. I do a lot of sports at the club. I practice tennis 4 times a week. So here we have an underlined word. We must know that if you underline the word, you must understand the sentence to select the correct answer for this word. I don't like cola. It's unhealthy. I don't eat candy, but I like fruit. My favorite fruits are bananas and watermelons. My mom makes an awesome banana milkshake. As we told you before, that awesome that means what? Means wonderful. We know it in the previous page. Dina does a lot of what? A lot of sports and clever pupils. Underline also means what? Means wonderful. And I told you in the previous page, okay? It's not difficult. Let's continue the rest of the exercise here. Why is Dina healthy? Why Dina healthy? Because she do a lot of sport. Because she do a lot of sport at the club. What is the favorite fruit for Dina? Favorite fruit is what? What is the favorite fruit? It will be favorite fruit, bananas and watermelon. Favorite fruit or food? Favorite fruit. What are Dina's favorite fruits? It will be what? It will be bananas and watermelons. Okay. Let's go to another one here. As a rule of subject plus verb plus object. You can say you are boring. We are bored from this Miss Iman. You are bored, but you must answer the question correct. Okay. I would like to board, but I would like to answer this question correct. You must write the rule like this to answer this question. Let's answer together. Here we have subject. Where is subject here? He. Where is the verb? Can help me to search the verb. He is growing. Good. He is growing. He is growing at. He is growing plants. He is growing a good plants. He is growing. He is growing good. He is growing good plants. There is no at here is extra. Okay. He is growing good plants. He is growing good plants. Good plants. The answer to be he is growing good plants. Okay. I have here a mistake here. So the answer it will be he is growing good plants. As the answer here it will be what? I walk to school every day. I walk to school every day. It's a sport because I breathe a clear air. I move my bones and I move my body because it's healthy to go to walk to school. I walk to school. I walk to school every day. And I put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another one here. Here we have a mactuate here. So what is the answer here? It will be this is this wrong. I will write it in capital letter. I would like to pay attention with me grade 4 that the pronoun if coming in any place in the sentence must be written in capital letter. Is the one only pronoun that written must be written in capital letter in the middle of the sentence, or at the end of the sentence, or in the beginning of the sentence. Must be written in capital letter. I think we grow rice in Egypt, so I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Let's go to next unit, unit 2. Unit 2 talk about what? About desert animals. Let's go to know more about this topic. Here we have in this part we know phoenix fox, camel, spider, snake, crocodile, lizard. We know here flat feet, large, delicious, noisy, hump. This is the hump of the camel. This is in your camel's body. This is the hump. Pure. We used here we took here. Sorry. Here we talk about the comparative form. In the unit 3, we talk about superlative form. Here we talk about the comparative form, adding er to the verb, to the adjective, and putting them. This is why we this is what the comparative form that we write. We know it by what? By adding er to the adjective and adding that. This what in the short adjective or adjective is one syllable. Adjective is more than one syllable. What can I do in the adjective is more than one syllable? We say more adjective than. Okay. Here in this part we talk about how. We talk about how to ask about the length, how long to ask about the period of time. Use it for how heavy to ask about weight, how fast to ask about the speed, and this is the using of how. How tall to ask about length, to ask about length, length or height. Okay, length. How long to ask about the period of time. How heavy to ask about weight, how fast to ask about the speed, and we use let's answer together. I know that is the using of let's. It's not the structure of let's plus the infinitive form. Let's go to another lesson here. Here we use the pelican and the pear. We know this story: pelican, cow, cloud, beak, and pear. In this unit, we know this vocab. Phoenix fox, Reem Ghazal. I think in this lesson we talk about Reem Ghazal and know more about this animal and how this animal live and how this animal adapt to its habitat and so on. Coat, horns, and so on. Let's answer the exercise related to this unit. I will leave the equation of the listening as we told, because it's not related to listening and we must have a text, and now we don't have a text. So this listening text must be depend on listening what the teacher saying, what the teacher reading, and answer according to it. Okay. An elephant is space then a bird. So here we have then. So the answer it will be what? It will be er. Must be the adjective. The adjective must add to the adjective er. So the answer it will be bigger than. Here we have the crocodiles have than. So here we can use er in this adjective. No, because this adjective is more than one syllable. Okay, more than this more than one syllable. Called more than one syllable. Okay, more than one syllable. Okay. This more than one syllable. So the answer it will be more adjective than. It will be more adjective than. Some birds have long space. They use them to eat. Some birds have long what? Have long beaks, not beans. All of us see the birds and see the beaks of it. Okay, not eyes, not ears, it beaks. Reem ghazals have yellow white space, have yellow white coats, not leaves, not ears, not eyes. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise related to this unit. Here we have answer this one. I will go to another one here. Here we have my family likes to visit zoo. Last Friday we visited Giza Zoo. We saw different animals. So different animals. In the zoo, as we go to the zoo, we see different animals. It's by logic, without thinking. Some animals are dangerous. Here is are dangerous. Some animals are dangerous. Some animals help us like it's strong. Helps some animals help us like what? Like the camel, like the camel. Because the camel is known as the sheep of desert, okay? It's strong. Let's go to another one here. Here we have the crocodile is what? Crocodile, as we know during the lesson, we know that crocodile is what? Is huge and scary. This is number B. Which animals are helpful? Spiders. So thinking spiders. Spiders eat what? Insects. We know it during the lesson. You can say, Miss Iman, you are clever. I'm not clever. You are clever. You are because you are going to the exam, not me. I'm examined and I'm graduated. I'm become a teacher. So this is the rule for you to do so. Okay. Can say, Miss Iman, you are clever. I am clever, but you must be clever also. Okay. Spiders eat insects. Are clever pupils. Some animals are scary, but what? But they are important, okay? But they are important. Scary, but they are important, okay? This one. Let's go to another question here. We are going to answer the text, the comprehension text. Let's read it together. Camels are very helpful for they carry things and people in the desert. They can live without water for a long time. Horses are helpful too. They are very fast and they can carry heavy things too. Horses can live to 30 years, while camels can live up to 40 years. So horses live 30 years, but camel 40 years. So the camel lives longer than what? Lives longer than, so the animals, so camels live longer than the horses, because camels live 40, but horses live 30 years only, okay? Horses and camels are good for desert. The text is about what? The text is about what? Is about camels. It's about camels. So here we'll talk about camels. The horses can live up to space, as we know here in what? 30 years, as we know from the text, okay? So must read the text clearly to answer the question correct way, okay? Must do so. Let's go to another one. Where do camels live? Here we ask about what? Here I ask about the place. Okay, we're here to ask about place. Camels live in what? In desert. As we know it from the text, you read in desert. So the answer it would be what? Camels in desert. I can say here, camels are helpful. Can say camels are helpful. Okay. I can write here this. I can summarize this sentence for this. Camels are helpful. Okay. Let's go to another one here. I hope after finishing from this, after I finished from this, from answering the questions in this booklet, I would like to answer again and send it to me on the channel to correct you. Okay, I hope to answer again to practice on questions that we do it here on the video. Okay, during the video. Here is subject, verb, object. What can I do this sentence? I can do it as first I search about the subject, then verb, then object. When the sentence is question what we do, we replace the verb instead of what? Instead of subject, as we know. Let's go to answer the sentence. Here is there the fox. The phoenix fox, not the fox. The phoenix fox. The phoenix fox has big ears. And we know these big ears during the lessons. We know this big ears helps it to do what? I think we return to the video and know what we told in this video. Okay, the phoenix fox has big ears. Here is crocodiles. What can I answer? I answer it. Let's answer together. Here is the subject, crocodiles. The answer would be crocodiles are This is the subject verb. Are dangerous animals. Are dangerous animals. Are dangerous. Are dangerous animals. Animals repeated 2 times. I think this is wrong. Here we have crocodiles are dangerous animals. Okay, this is the answer of this sentence. Is the dangerous animals. So crocodiles are dangerous animals. Okay, are dangerous animals. I will leave the last one to do it by yourself. Let's go to another one. Here we have here in this punctuate. Here, what is the missing punctuate marks here in this sentence? Here we must write it in capital letter because you start the sentence. So must start the sentence by capital letter and put question mark at the end of the sentence. This is the missing punctuated here. Okay, let's go to another question. Here is unit 3. This is the last unit that I explained today. I will make a quick revise on. Here we have leaves, leaf, flower, seeds, soil, roots, shoot. We took here lotus flower, tamarkash, bean. Bean here is a misprinting here. Bean here it will be B-E-A dot E. Okay, it's wrong. Okay, reed. We have acacia, orange, sunflower. Here sunflower, orange tree, acacia, rose, daisy. Let's read it again to note. Lotus flower, tamarkash, bean plant, reed, acacia, orange tree, sunflower, rose, and daisy. Here we have language corner. We use it. Here is the superlative form. In last unit, or I think last unit, or the last, or the unit before the last. Before the last, we talk about what? We talk about the comparative form by adding er to the adjective and adding the. Here we use the superlative by adding est to the adjective and adding the before the adjective, like this. The light is the strongest, the tallest. When we talk about the adjectives that have 2 syllables, more than 1 syllable, like this, the like beautiful, we say the most. As we told you in the comparative form, we use what? We use more adjectives than. We can say more beautiful than, more dangerous than. Okay, when we use the comparative form. In this case, we don't use the more. We use the most beautiful, the most colorful. Okay, let's go to another one here. I want to make the video longer, so I make a quick explanation. Okay, the videos we have in the videos, I explain these units in detail. You can return to the video and revise what I told during the video. So here, and I make a quick revise to answer the general exercise of every unit for the monthly test exam. Okay, here we have rainwater, dry, polluted air, farm. Here is the adjectives. This is the adjective. Base word means the adjective as it is, as an infinitive verb. We know it. Okay, and this is the adjective that we put the suffix of it. Okay, like what? Like beautiful, like beauty, beautiful. Care, careful. Color, colorful. Useful. Help, helpful. Okay. Here we have sandals. Barbis. Here is barbis, sandals, and sunlight. I leave, as we told you before during the last unit, that I leave the listening according to listening for that your teacher or someone that reading for you. We need good space to grow plants. To grow plants, we know what we need. Good seeds. The sunflower is the space flower. Is the heaviest. This one. The plant roots grow space the soil. We can't see them well. Grow what? Grow. Here is, you can't see them well. Grow under the soil. Under the soil. Can't see them well. Under the soil. Bulbs is very space plant. Is very special plant. Okay. Here is where let's go to answer the questions here. Purpose is very special plant. It's famous because ancient Egyptians, as we know during the lesson. Used bulbs to make paper. They also made founder's basket from paper from bulbs. Space needs a lot. Bulbs needs here is bulbs. Bulbs needs a lot of water, a lot of water and warm weather, as we know during the lesson. Okay, I think we will return to the video and we know so. Okay, this warm weather to grow quickly. It grows in Nile. It grows in Nile Delta near the river. Let's continue the rest of the exercises related to this unit. The desert space, what? The desert is habitat. So I select this one by this one. We plant a seed. We plant a seed. We plant a seed. A seed what? A rose is more what? Is more beautiful than number B. Here is number B. Egyptian used purpose, but for what? To make paper. Number C. So we have here. We plant a seed in the soil. Plant a seed in the soil. Not is the plant not right? So the answer it would be we plant a seed in the soil. Number A. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we have a question. Here is I have a text and the question below this text. Let's read it together. Amal lives in a village near the river. Farmers grow many fruits and vegetables. There for us to eat. They grow onions, tomatoes, and rice. Farmers grow apples and oranges too. There are a lot of plants near the river. Plants near the river need a lot of water. Here is the underline near. So near, the opposite of what? Of farm. The opposite of farm. Farmers need space to grow plants and vegetables. Need water without thinking. Okay, I don't think so. Don't think. Go to another one here. Here we have where does Amal live? Amal live in what? Lives in what? In village. So the answer it will be Amal lives in village. This the answer of this question is this one. Let's go to another one. What do farmers grow? Farmers grow what here? Farmers grow onions, tomatoes, and rice. Okay, this is the answer of number 4 question. Let's go to another one here. Here is subject plus verb plus object. Let's answer the question. Here is roots. This is the subject. Where is the verb? Grow under the soil. And I put full stop at the end of the sentence. What? Here is what do farmers grow near rivers? What do farmers? What do farmers? As we told you before that in the question form we replace the what, replace the verb instead of what, instead of subject. Here is what do farmers? What do farmers? What do farmers? What do farmers grow near rivers? Grow near rivers. Near rivers. Near rivers. And don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence, okay? If we have a sentence in the question form, we must put the question mark at the end of the sentence to don't miss half marks, okay? To don't miss half marks. Let's continue the rest of the exercise here. Here we have the punctuate here. So the answer here, it will be what here? What is the answer here? Here is purpose, written in what? In capital letter. Is an Egyptian, purpose is an Egyptian plant. So I put full stop at the end of the sentence, okay? Let's continue the rest of, let's go to, we have another thing here, or this is the last one. Today we ended from revising the 3 units that we will be in your monthly test exam. I hope to answer. I hope to good luck in answering the exam. I hope to benefit from our video today. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.